Boom! You hit the button and it worked. The video is playing now. This is stuff they don't want you to know. We have a bunch of stuff we wanted to update you on this time around. Okay, first, we actually have a store now. So all of you out there who said, Matt, Ben, please make some t-shirts. I love t-shirts. I wear t-shirts. We made a store with t-shirts. We are stufftheydon'twantyoutoKnow.spreadshirt.com. So we also want your help with this. We just got a few designs up there now, but let us know what kind of stuff you would like to see in that store in the future. But this week is not just about t-shirts and iPhone cases and whatever else people sell online and stores. This week is about something else. We wanted to look in depth at something that is pretty controversial nowadays, and that's the idea of psychic powers. Specifically one, but I'll tell you at the end of the video. When we started looking at this idea of psychic powers, so many people believe in them, but there's not really any evidence, universally accepted evidence, of their existence. So what we decided to do is look at the root of the problem, and we found that there are a lot of things scientists still don't know about the human brain in general. Not even fancy stuff like telekinesis, but like, why do you remember things differently? So we want to talk about 3 things scientists still don't understand about your brain. The idea of memory. Is it true that a memory lives in some geographically fixed spot in a particular brain cell? Or is it true that your memory is more of a connection or relationship between multiple synapses? Why do certain sensory inputs change our encounter with a memory? Is it true that when you remember something, you're just remembering the last time you remembered it? And there's a fascinating video you can watch about the intricacies of memory, starring one of our favorite people, the mentalist Darren Brown, and a very funny actor and writer Simon Pegg. And we don't want to spoil the surprise, but just check it out on YouTube after you watch this and let us know what you think about this memory hacking. Studies have also shown that it's possible to implant false memories into the minds of rodents. 2, free will. Do we have free will? Are our decisions somehow preordained? How do our decision-making processes become subtly influenced without our conscious knowledge? So if we just put aside all the philosophical abstractions, right, about the nature of consciousness and man and the place in the universe, and we just look at the hardware of the brain, what we find is something called readiness potential. There is a decision for something to happen about 0.35 seconds before your conscious mind says, oh yeah, I'm going to do it. And we just sort of mistake that for voluntary action. This inspired a guy named Benjamin Libet in the 1980s to say that we don't really have conscious control over the initiation of our movements. We just have sort of a veto where we can stop something as it occurs. And other studies have traced this sort of pre-decision making to as much as a full second before the conscious mind uses its free will to change the course of events. Number 1, I'm sure you saw this coming. Consciousness. Well, that little light bulb above your head, you know? What about this brain case makes each of us so different, not only from other animals, but from one another? We still have yet to explain the seat of consciousness and what the human, right, in its abstract term, actually is. We have also found that it's difficult to completely understand perception. We have an okay understanding of general concepts, but the further you drill down, especially into something like the question of consciousness, the stranger the information becomes. So these 3 things that people still are trying to figure out about the nature of the human brain have inspired Matt and I to look into a very specific alleged psychic power, that is clairvoyance. Now, of course, if you are clairvoyant, it is possible that you were aware of this the moment we began making it. And if so, send me a comment. I want to know from you guys, do you think psychic powers are real? If so, which ones? Do you feel like you have proof? Do you feel like it's utter bunk? And if it is utter bunk, then why do people continue believing in it, and how could we rationally explain it? We're very excited about our upcoming episode. We hope that you check out the store, you check out all of the podcasts that we have, and thank you to Rachel on Twitter for keeping us honest with that one, because we do fall off sometimes. You can also send us an email directly. We are conspiracy@howstuffworks.com.